Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset controller settings on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Steam menu. Click on Steam and from the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This will open up your main configuration area where you can adjust various Steam features. In the left panel of the settings window, click on Controller. This section is dedicated to managing all your gamepad and controller configurations, making it the central hub for any controller-related adjustments you need to make. Next, click on Show Advanced Settings. This will expand additional options that give you more control over how Steam handles different types of controllers. These advanced settings are essential for properly resetting your controller configuration. Now, depending on which type of controller you're using, you'll need to follow specific steps. If you're using Xbox controllers, navigate to Enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers. Right beside this option, toggle it off and then toggle it back on. After doing this, disconnect and reconnect your controller, then restart the game. This process refreshes Steam's recognition of your Xbox controller and can resolve many configuration issues. If you're using PlayStation controller support, right beside that option, click the drop-down menu and select Enabled in Games Without Support. Once you've made this selection, disconnect and reconnect your controller, then restart the game. This ensures Steam properly handles PlayStation controllers even in games that don't natively support them. For those using Switch Pro controllers, right beside that option, toggle it off and then toggle it back on. Again, disconnect and reconnect the controller, then restart the game. This refresh helps Steam reinitialize the connection with your Switch controller. If you're using generic controllers, right beside that option, toggle it off and then toggle it back on. As with the others, disconnect and reconnect the controller, then restart the game. This step helps Steam properly detect and configure generic gamepads that might not have specific profiles. Now, let's reset the controller settings for a specific game. In the top menu, click on Library to view all your installed games. In the left panel, locate the game you want to reset controller settings for. Right-click on it and select Properties from the menu that appears. In the left panel of the Properties window, click on Controller. Here you'll find game-specific controller configurations. Click the drop-down menu and select Use Default Settings. This will revert any custom controller configurations back to Steam's default settings for that particular game, which often resolves compatibility issues. If the problem persists after trying these steps, select Disable Steam Input instead. Then unplug and reconnect the controller. This completely removes Steam's input layer and allows the game to handle controller input directly, which can fix stubborn controller issues. And there you have it, you've successfully reset your controller settings on Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.